kazi tu ni kulipa lunch program.
Who doesn't want a cleaner world? Well, today is World Cleanup Day, marked every 20th of September. To reduce organic waste in urban and agricultural settings, black soldier fly has been used as a nature-based cleaning agent. Take a look. 4,000 tons of waste per day, the majority of which originates from urban areas.
In Nairobi, we produce about 2,000 metric tons of waste every day. And we only recycle, I don't think we even recycle 1% of that. 70% of that waste is normally organic waste.
Amidst challenges with handling this waste, a hero has emerged, Hamartia illucens, popularly known as the black soldier fly.
So we collect tons of organic waste from markets, from industries, from different places, from landfills. Then we bring this waste into our facility and feed it to the black soldier fly.
As the black soldier fly feeds on the organic waste, they in turn become a source of much needed animal protein.
I think one of the greatest problems we've been facing is the feed costs. And the greatest cost actually goes on the protein, which is used in animal feed production. And this accounts for more than 70% of the cost of production. And so there has been a global search for alternative sources. And so insects were envisioned as one of the alternative sources.
The proteins that we use in Kenya or East Africa are mainly fish meal and soya. And most of this we import from our neighboring countries like Uganda, Zambia, Malawi. And these feed inputs are very expensive for the farmers. So we decided that let us start this project to be able to supply the insect protein because it's cheaper to produce because you're using waste, and that is the raw material.
The Australian Centre for International Agricultural Research, in partnership with the International Centre of Insect Physiology and Ecology, ICIPE, has empowered organizations to take up and monetize the black soldier fly, in the process changing the communities in a sustainable way.
We've been able to train youths for the climate smart agriculture and also for the black soldier flies production. And so far, there's a reduction of the crime rate since many youths have been able to engage in decent activities through agriculture where they can earn a living. And also for the waste management, we have a bigger challenge on disposal and also for the management. So by picking up the organic waste from these dump sites or these storage sites, we've been able to reduce the organic waste and to convert it into something good and beneficial for our community.
This initiative is a great example of our commitment to the circular economy, inclusive economic growth, and reducing greenhouse gas and emissions across Africa, across the Indo-Pacific and across Australia. This is a great opportunity for developing livelihoods and for people to, convert what is otherwise thrown away into something valuable and useful for their community.
As the world marks World Cleanup Day, initiatives around black soldier fly have not only left our environments cleaner, but has offered economic value and changed lives. All right, let's take a short break. Still more to come. Keep it KTN.